In this video, we'll understand data types in C language. So the different data types in C language. So data types are the keywords which are used for assigning a type to a variable based on the data stored in it. So there are two major data types, namely built-in data type called as basic or fundamental. Then the second one is the user defined data types using the type def. Now coming to the first type of data type, that is basic or primitive or fundamental or built-in data types. So there are five fundamental data types in C, namely character data type, int data type, float data type, double data type, then wide data type. Char data type, it is used to store character type of 1 byte. Int data type, it is used to store the whole numbers. Float data type, it is used to store real numbers that have a single precision floating point. It provides 6 digits after a decimal point. And double data type, it is used to store real numbers that have a double precision floating point. It provides accuracy of data. It provides 16 digits after the decimal point. And the last one, void data type, it stores no values. We cannot perform any operations on a variable declared as a void. That means it has no range. So void, meaning of void is nothing. Now coming to the user defined data types. So type definition feature of C allows user to define an identifier which acts as a data type using an existing basic data type. So such identifier is called as user defined data types. Using the keyword type def keyword, so which is used to define our own data type. For example, I want the Raju as a data type name. So how I'm going to use this Raju name as my user defined data type? So it is given like this. So for example, the statement will be like this, type def int Raju. So which creates a new data type called Raju, which is of a type integer, which can use this new type of to declare variables as follows, like Raju A. So this is all about the data types in C language. Thank you for watching this video.